Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a quick review of some new earbuds I got. They are from LiteXim. Alright, so these are the LiteXim TW29 True Wireless Earbuds. These are Bluetooth in-ear earphones designed to be sweat-proof and comfortable. So I'm going to show you what comes inside the package. Right off the bat, you get your instruction manual. It is very thick for a pair of small earphones, but that is fine. You get your charging cable where you would plug in both of your earphones in at once to charge, and it's a USB cord. So if you have an adapter or you have a surge protector that offers USB ports, then that's where you would plug it in, or your computer as well. There are 2 ear hooks and 2 spare ear caps that come with it. And, you know, here are the wireless headphones. Now this comes with just 2 because you have 2 ears, so get a good look at these. They are small, but they are small enough that if you were to drop one, I'm pretty sure you could find it. They have a nice little red circle oval in the middle for, you know, answering a call or not. I would mainly use this in the gym to listen to music though. Fun fact is these earbuds only weigh 0.25 ounces each, so very, very, very lightweight. So these earbuds have IP4X Ingress Protection, which means they're protected a spray of water from all directions. Basically, they're sweat-proof, which that's great, and splash resistant, but that does not mean that they are 100% waterproof. So don't immerse them in water, but if you don't have to worry about sweat or using these in the rain, they'll be fine. There's an all-in-one multifunction control. The operation range for these is 33 feet. The working time is 3.5 hours. Standby time is 80 hours. Charging time takes only 2 hours, which is good. If you're done for the night, you can plug it in when you go to bed. They have a built-in mic which features voice notification of incoming calls. And just by pressing the MFB, you can listen to your calls without using your hands. Alright, so I'm going to try these with my favorite music. Wow, this is really clear, they're comfortable, there's no distortion whatsoever. It's very balanced with rich bass. That's something that I do like. And that's it for the LiteXim Bluetooth earbuds. Check the link in the description below to learn more about this product and get yours. Also, check our various social medias out today, even our website. Please click the subscribe button and like and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.